imagine stepping into the professional world, a vast landscape brimming with hidden opportunities. For many, navigating their careers becomes a challenge when the power of networking is overlooked. In this chapter, we explore the unseen barriers, revealing the obstacles that arise without the foundation of networking. Through real-life stories, we observe how neglecting to network can lead to a plethora of missed opportunities. It is not merely about failing to connect or utilize platforms such as career fairs and student organizations. The impact extends to overall career growth. Without networking's bridges, the professional world becomes a solitary journey. Yet, this exploration serves a crucial purpose. It sheds light on the immense value of connection and relationship building, transforming unseen barriers into stepping stones for success. As we delve deeper, remember, every story of opportunity missed is a lesson, a wake-up call to the transformative power of networking. Now, envision a world where each handshake and conversation propels your career forward. Effective networking is not just a skill but a bridge to a realm of opportunities previously unseen. Remember, as we navigate the paths of professional growth, networking acts as your compass towards success. Attending career fairs transcends collecting business cards. It's about initiating meaningful dialogues leading to mentorships, internships, and job offers. Preparing questions, showing genuine interest, and following up are the steps that pave your future. Meanwhile, student organizations offer fertile ground for sowing the seeds of professional relationships, laying the foundation for future collaborations and growth alongside peers who may become your colleagues or business partners. Creating meaningful relationships goes beyond exchanging contact information. It involves empathy, offering help without expectations, and maintaining connections. By nurturing these relationships, you establish a supportive network, paving the way not only for career success but also personal growth. As we conclude our journey through networking, we're inspired by stories of transformation and success. From students entering the professional arena to recent graduates launching their careers, the impact of a well-nurtured network is clear. Hear testimonials from those who've leveraged their connections into opportunities and success. Imagine a casual encounter at a career fair evolving into a dream job, or a student organization chat leading to lifelong mentorship. These realities underscore the power of networking. The encouragement to start networking today is an invitation to shape your future. As we've underscored the importance of building professional relationships, remember, your network determines your net worth. Let these success stories motivate you to take the first step in your networking journey, with each connection opening a new world of possibilities.